John Rolfe. I'm here today to review two aircraft, one being the P-51B and the other being the de Havilland Beaver. Hello, well, here we are with the de Havilland Beaver, the Flite-4 scale aircraft from Austars. I've been through this kit. It is a very, very nice and well constructed aircraft. As we can see here, and we'll go around everything, the doors, fully opening, fully functional, both sides. So you're able to get your hands in there to put interior kits in, seats, pilots, whatever you want to do. The construction method of this, once again, is mechanically locked together and glued. It is very good. The firewall, very strong. It is a nice, light aircraft, and they look good. And especially like on floats, if you wanted to convert this to floats, you could. You would have to use your own method of mounting that, but you would use, one is these struts first up, which I'll talk about next. But I'm very impressed with the construction of this. It's very well presented, and anyone purchasing this will not have any problems. Once again, as we said before, with the Flite-4 series, is that you really watch the DVD first on the full construction method and get all your bits and pieces together and do your list of materials to make sure that you have got everything, because the last thing you need is to miss something when you're halfway through construction. So with that, we'll finish with the fuse here. We have the cowling, which is a full fiberglass cowling. We have blind nut bolts that go in there, which you see no bolts holding the cowling on. Very good method, and it's very strong on the front of this. Also, it is supplied with a dummy engine. You do your cutouts where to allow your air to come through to cool your engine. Okay, the hardware kit for it is very good. The struts are very strong. They're metal aluminium struts. The spars are metal spars, so there is no issues there on that situation there. The other accessory kit is all the timber bits and that, all very well laser cut, and I would say these would go and click together and probably wouldn't have to glue them, they'd be that strong, but you use glue anyway. To finish off your fuse, you have your tail cone and the other piece in there, which is your air scoop. And we also have fairings over there, which will be for the top of the undercarriage. Now, I've really had a good look at this undercarriage, and it is very, very well constructed. It's solid, everything is lock nutted, and it's very strong aluminium in as far as the construction goes. It's a web type pattern, so one is light and strong. That is one of the best fixed undercarriages I've ever seen. The tail wheel, once again, aluminium, but wow, very light, and that's what you want down there. Looks good, and it's going to be easy to fit to this aircraft. It is a pull-pull system with shock absorber type springs on it, so as you don't jar your servo. Very good thoughts. Engine mount, yeah, standard carbon type engine mounts, very good. There is never ever a problem with these mounts. All blind nuts, all good size mounting screws, so all very good for this size aircraft. Okay, next we come to the stab. Now here you do have to put your own hinges in. The hinges are supplied, once again a Robart type hinge, but they're not glued in, but it takes nothing to put them in. They're very simple, very free, easy moving, lovely, absolutely lovely. And even when they're close up like that, there is a lot of free, easy movement. Very well constructed, that. The fin and rudder. Once again, you have to glue your hinges in. Hinges are supplied, they're already in there. Easy free movement, once again well constructed and easy to fit and locks into the fuse very well. No problems there. The main part is the wing. The hinges are fixed in there for you, you don't have to do a thing. Flaps, look at that, absolutely brilliant. Ailerons, brilliant. So this wing, all it needs is the servos put in and mounted. And then you come in each side with these to mount on in your spars through the fuse. Simple fixture, couple of lock screws off, your struts there, finished. This plane once again can be assembled easily within a week, and you'll be able to, once you've done your bill of materials, looked at your DVD, a week later on the weekend you'll be able to fly it. But if you want to fit floats to it, it'll take a little bit longer because there is a balance point and everything that you're going to have to work to, but Austars can help you out there. So with that, yes, if you purchase this kit, you won't be wrong. It is a very high class, top of the line model. And as scale goes, yes, I recommend it.